Hey Taurus, welcome back. This is A from High Five Sci 50, and this is your Sun, Moon, Rising sign and Venus general reading for the sign of Taurus. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If it doesn't resonate, that's okay. Perhaps next month's message is the one for you. But I've always believed in synchronicity, so there must be something in here that you need to hear today. Thank you for being here and welcome back. Apologies for any background noise. Oh, nice. Getting yourself out of a sad situation, grieving. You must have been grieving in the most recent past, and right now you have seen the light at the end of the tunnel. The sun is shining so brightly, and oops, sorry, there's positivity around you, newfound hope. Apologies for any background noise that you would hear, and apologies if I stutter also. English is not my first language, but I keep on doing English readings as a gratitude to my first few subscribers who were English speakers. My supporters were English speakers. I don't speak good English, but just trying my best. Oh, new opportunities. This is such a positive spread here, Taurus. You five of cards, five of cups here. This is grief. It's like everything has been taken away from you, but there are still two flowers there that are yet to grow, and maybe in the past you may have been into a very difficult situation. Perhaps you have lost somebody, you have lost money, you have lost your house, um, and maybe you have lost your mind too. Um, but Taurus stuck or have chosen um, positivity or did not lose hope, trusted him or herself. And so right now you are out of that situation. You are out of that wreck. You are out of that difficult situation now. And now here comes the sun. Here comes the sun wanting to give you more abundance, more prosperity, and hope filled life. There's energy, positive energy. There is synergy around you right now. And whatever it is that has caused you pain in the past, you are now, the universe is gifting you new opportunities. Perhaps this is a new creative project. A spark has been lit. Perhaps you have gained a newfound hope, strength, and new ways to diversify your business if you have a business, new ways to upskill if you are a professional worker. But sitting on in the middle of your reading right here, this is Four of Swords. You really want to take a break. It's a good choice to do this because Taurus is very driven, hardworking, and persevering. Taurus is very focused on working hard to achieve what they put their mind to. But it's really a wise choice for Taurus right now to take a break. You have recognized that it has never been healthy for you to overthink and to cry over spilled milk. So now you are working on something new. What is holding you back though, dear Taurus? Perhaps there's a new project that has been offered to you, a new career, new job, whatever offer, creative offer. Some offer that's related to your passion, but it seems like you are hesitant to take action. You are hesitant to move forward. Ooh, nice. Another new beginning right here. Breakthrough moment. Nice, Taurus. You didn't falter in the most recent past. You have been um, presented with life altering choices. And it was a difficult choice, but you made the choice anyway. You have tread a path that is so dark, but you walk on it anyway. And the universe, because of that, the universe wants to show you multiple doors for you to choose. Wants to show you new ways of living, new ways of life, perhaps new ways of being as well. And because of that, perseverance. You are now being presented with a lot of opportunities. See? Strength and sun, a very good combination. Um, Taurus may be a Superman, but you had your kryptonite. That kryptonite was presented to you in the most recent past, and you channeled your willpower, the strength of your mind, the strength of your emotions. Perhaps you have channeled your emotional intelligence so you could handle your finances more wisely. Maybe that's what you did in the most recent past. And because of that willpower, and because of that strength in your mindset or the way of thinking, the universe is now gifting you, or is soon to give you something new, something positive, something like the universe wants to reward you for your hard work. When the opportunities are presented to you, the key will be presented to you. And maybe you would doubt it. Maybe you would say it's too good to be true. And as a result, you would doubt yourself if you have the ability to take on this role. So be mindful that you doubt yourself, because that would be that will keep you away from achieving success or achieving what you deserve. This is so weird. I have just mentioned that you have just realized that rest may be healthy for you to before you take on a new battle. You're in a period of rest right now, which is a wise decision. That's what I've mentioned a while ago, right? But sitting under that is a wheel of fortune in reverse. Maybe what the universe is telling you is that lack of movement, being your doubt, self-doubt causing delays, feeding the self-doubt will cause more delays. Feeding inaction will cause more delays. You may be overthinking about a new offer that will be presented to you, and not recognizing an opportunity as it comes may may delay, may cause more delays for your success. Perhaps you have learned your lesson in the past not to trust anybody, but this lack of trust um, may be the culprit for you not being able to receive the blessings that the universe want to give you. The universe wants to give you something new, something fun, something unfamiliar. Say if you are a technical designer in the past, the universe will give you something like a new opportunity to put up your own business. But because it's so unfamiliar and out of your comfort zone, you run the risk of doubting yourself if you would be able to manage this new business because it's totally out of your um, practice. You have no experience technically. But there's a reason why the universe is opening this door to you. Why, there's a reason why the universe is giving it to you because you deserve it, because you are equipped for it, because you are ready for it. Just be mindful, Taurus, that there would be people who would take advantage, take advantage of this opportunity that's presented to you. There are clever, treacherous, could be manipulative, deceiving people around you. I don't know who they are. You should know who they are. But I don't know. Are you very friendly? Be careful of the people you put in your closest circle, Taurus, because there are people around you who do not have any good intention. The universe is you are lucky. The universe wants to give you a lot of blessings, but there are just these people around you who have ill intentions and may talk you out of I don't know, serving what they have self-serving interests, and they would use you, they will take advantage of you, unfortunately. Perhaps this has happened in the past, that's why you are doubting yourself. Maybe I would say it's a good thing if this has already happened in the past, but if this is yet to happen, be careful of the people you surround yourself with, Taurus. These people, it's either they would feed you fear, feed your insecurities, tell you that not really not really directly tell you, but subtle. It's a subtle way of telling you you're not fit for this, you're not good enough for this. Just give it to me and I will handle it. I think I have the knowledge to bring you more money, so give it to me, let me handle that. Be careful of those people. With the sun card here, positivity will reign and positivity will be given to you. Abundance, prosperity, everything positive that you could think of, it will be given to you. And perhaps fame. And with that fame comes new set of friends, and maybe some of them will just stick around because you're famous. So be mindful of those people who are banking on your successes just to uh, propel their own agenda. Let's get what the universe wants you to know. You are on your way to a new life, Taurus. But you have to leave something behind. You have to learn to leave something behind. And this includes people who may have breached your trust in the past. Let them go also. They don't deserve a spot in your new path right now. You may hate me for saying that, but you might thank me later. What do you want Taurus to know? Message for Taurus, please. If you'd like to take a break, do so, but perhaps don't do it too long that the people around you would seize the opportunity that is supposed to be for you. No rain today. Take it by the day. Look at that. They look the same, right? Because they have the same artist. Appreciate the sun, appreciate the positivity, appreciate the good things that are coming your way. If ever you are experiencing bouts of depression, just embrace it, but don't linger on it. Take it easy. Put your dancing shoes on and enjoy this positive, or enjoy the blessings, the prosperity, and everything positive that is coming your way. And never doubt it, because you deserve it. I guess I would have to leave it at that. Thank you, Taurus, and I hope to see you next time. My name is A, and see you soon. Bye.